Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear, having fun with a great song from Chris Brown and Ty Dolla. It's just a bro song. It's a cool one. I use a capo on second. I think that is the absolute easiest scenario for us to have the easiest chords possible. It's a chord progression that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. So let's look into this sweet song. We have the chords A minor, E minor, F, and G. Let's start with them. So A minor first. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's the A minor chord. Next is E minor. You move up one string, basically. So that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have the F next, which is a bar chord. Place any finger like this on the first fret. Push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And speaking of G, that's the last chord. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so I tried to play this with the clap and the beat to get everything correct and with a great timing. So I'm going to take you through one round first and then explain how it's done. So let's go. Actually 2 rounds because it's that fun. So let's start with chord by chord, starting with A minor. I'm gonna play down, up, clap. So 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap. Okay, so down, up, clap. Then you immediately go to E minor and play 2 downs. And then you go to the F immediately from that and play 1 down. And then comes a clap after a while. In that clap, I like to play or clap just the E string because I want this string or the notes or the sound to ring out as much as possible. If I clap, then I kill the sound too much. So I want it to be. And then comes the G, 1 down as well, with a clap afterwards. And same there, I hit the clap just with my thumb on that E string. So the strings, all of the strings except from that E string, rings out. So some technical stuff there, and that's 1 round. So A minor, down, up, clap. Then E minor, down, down. Then F, down, pause, clap, and G, down, pause, clap. So slowly, 1 round goes like this. Couple rounds, standard tempo. And so on. That is how I played, guys. That's how I played just the bro song. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.